So you might be in a position where for some reason your reply option within Instagram is actually missing. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you make your way over to your Instagram application like this and you see that somebody's responding back to your text, you're texting somebody and you want to reply to a certain message, you hold down on that message like this and you should be able to see a reply option down here. Now, if that is missing or you don't see any other options that come up, this may mean one of a few things. For one, I would probably recommend going through and updating your Instagram application. So just go through into your app store just like this. Go ahead and find Instagram. You can just search it up just like this. And go ahead and just update Instagram as you normally would. And then as long as it's up to date, that will probably end up fixing some sort of situation. It's not guaranteed, but this is one of the things you can try doing. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't work, which probably it's like 50-50, the next thing you may want to do is to go ahead and make sure that you've either updated messaging within Instagram. So sometimes if you go and swipe out of Instagram and you just go and go back into it, you might see a little pop-up that comes up that says Facebook is now linked with Instagram. If you see that option, you just want to go ahead and basically convert your messaging from Facebook to Instagram and go down that direction. That is another thing you can try doing. I've also seen a lot of people message on that my other video basically stating that, hey, the thing that ended up working for them was to actually hop out and log out of Instagram, log back in, and that actually ended up getting them that feature back. So what you can try doing is going back into your Instagram profile page like this. You want to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Then what you want to do is you want to click on settings like this, and you want to scroll down, and all you want to do is go ahead and log out. So you can go ahead and log out of your specific account, and you might be able to go ahead and pretty much fix this situation by doing that too. So go and click here, click log out. You can remember your account or not. I would probably actually recommend not doing that if you remember your password and everything. And from there, log back into your account. And then that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. And that could end up fixing the problem as well. If that is still not working, the best thing you can do on top of that is to go ahead and try re-chatting with that person. If the reply option is missing within all your accounts, then you may want to go ahead and see if you can switch from a professional account to a personal account or whatever the case is. But those are pretty much the main things you can do to go ahead and fix this situation. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.